So guys, today we are making melon soup. Come with me, let's make it together, okay? Thank you. So firstly, I washed my meat very well. Then I added some seasoning cube, added some salt. After adding some salt, I added some freshly blended pepper. After which I placed it on the heat to cook. So my meat is boiling already. So these are my ingredients. So I have my crayfish, I have my dry fish. Hmm? I have my dry fish, I have my stockfish, I have my rosaza. Guys, Uzda is very good. If you try this recipe, you will like it. If you have not tried it before. So this is my ogiri okpei, and I also have my vegetable, which is the ogo. So guys, I like blending my melon at home. So after washing it, this is me blending it because I like this texture that it gives. So here are some that I have already blended out. Some are still inside the blender, blending. So yeah, after some time, I came to supervise my meat. As you can see, it's boiling and boiling very well. Okay. So at this point, I'm pounding my uroziza with the mortar. After which I added some of the ogiri to pound it together. Okay. So after this time, I came back again to check my meat. As you can see, it's boiling and boiling very well. So at this point, I have washed my stockfish with hot water with together with the dry fish. So it's time for me to add it now. So as you can see, I'm adding it already. Okay. After which I added some water, enough water for my miriofe. Okay. So after adding the enough water, I added some seasoning cube again. After adding some seasoning cube, I added some salt. Right. I added some salt. You know, I added some salt. After which I also added some freshly blended pepper. I turned it. In a soup, we give a test. That is the beauty of cooking. If you are cooking, you'll be testing. Okay. So after that, I covered my soup, allowed it to boil for some minutes. I came back again. As you can see, it's boiling now. It's boiling. All right, it's boiling. So yeah, at this point, I had to add my crayfish. After adding my crayfish, I added the ogiri and the oziza that I pounded. I used some hot water to extract it from the mortar. So this is me adding it. So yeah, this is me adding it. So as you can see, after adding it, I added my red oil. Okay, I added my red oil. So after adding my red oil, what did I do? I turned it. I turned the whole thing so that the ingredients will go around. After turning it, I covered it. So the next step is for me to, cut my vegetable, to cut my ogo. After cutting my ogo, I also slice my onion. I like using onion to cook my melon soup because there's this flavor that it adds to the soup. So this is me carefully cutting it because this knife is so sharp. So it will not hurt it will not hurt me. Okay. So yeah, this is the melon that I blended. So it's ready now for me to put it inside the soup because the soup is ready for me to add the melon. So yes, I came back, I opened my soup. As you can see, it's boiling and doing very well inside the pot. So yeah, at this point, I'm adding my melon. So after adding my melon, I covered it, I allow it to boil for some time. Guys, it's important you allow your melon to boil. If your melon did not boil very well, it will purge you. To purge you. So this is my soup. As you can see, it's making sense. Don't you think so? On also poto fuma. So at this point, my soup is done already. This is the last part. I'm adding my vegetable, the ogo and the onion, right? So after that, I lower the heat, covered it to boil for 2 minutes. So after which I came back, I carefully turned it. So guys, my soup is ready. My soup is ready. So yeah, so my soup is ready. On our soup poto no fe. Yeah, melon soup is one of the simplest soup that you can make. It's not difficult. Trust me, it's not difficult. So yeah. So after the time I made my eba. So as you can see, this is me trying to consume my eba because I'm hungry, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys again soon.